Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Hurst Cycle Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This technical analysis tool, also known as the Hurst Exponent or Hurst Cycle Analysis, identifies long-term trends and cyclical patterns in financial markets by analyzing historical price data and calculating the Hurst Exponents based on fractal nature of markets. In this video, you will see how the Hurst Cycle Indicator works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The Hurst Cycle Indicator was developed by J.M. Hurst in the 1960s and is based on the concept that financial markets exhibit cyclical behavior with certain patterns and trends tending to repeat over time. The Hurst exponent is calculated based on the fractal nature of financial markets, meaning markets exhibit self-similar patterns at different time frames, allowing traders to identify underlying cyclical patterns and use them to predict future market movements. The indicator can be used to identify long-term trends and predict market turning points such as tops and bottoms, forecast market movements over time, over different time frames, from short-term swings trades to long-term investments, and be combined with other technical analysis tools to improve trade signal accuracy. You can already see how it appears on the chart in a separate window. The Hurst cycle indicator displays the Hurst exponent value, which quantifies market trend persistence, with positive readings such as this, suggesting trending behavior, and negative readings indicating mean reverting or ranging conditions. When the Hurst exponent is high and the market is in an uptrend, it may be a good time to buy, as the positive exponent confirms the trending nature of the move. When the Hurst exponent is low and the market is in a downtrend, it may be a good time to sell, as negative exponent validates the bearish trend strength. As for the indicator settings, you can take a look at the inputs. We have the E period, the E type data, and the E random line. We can also customize our preferred colors and trade on our preferred time frames as well. Now, who is this indicator for? The Hurst cycle indicator is suitable for long-term trend traders looking to identify major market turning points, multi-timeframe analysts who want to forecast movements across different periods, and systematic traders who combine multiple technical tools for improved accuracy. Its strengths include helping traders identify long-term trends and predict market turning points, the ability to forecast market movements over different time frames, and compatibility with other technical analysis tools and indicators to improve trade accuracy. However, it may produce false signals in volatile markets where cyclical patterns break down, can be complex to use, and may require specialized software or training to interpret correctly, and may not be suitable for all market conditions, potentially producing unreliable results in certain situations. You can download the Hurst cycle indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how analyzing the Hurst exponent based on fractal market behavior helps identify long-term trends and cyclical patterns for predicting turning points. If you like indicators that use mathematical concepts to identify market cycles, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.